Are you ready? It is time. It is time for our favorite time of year. Well, do you even really have to think about it? It's deer season. Here we go, folks. Rifle season in Vermont. Across the United States, people have already been hunting. We've already been hunting. Out there doing some archery. Letting things go because our freezer still has deer meat in it. And getting ready for the big season. You're only allowed 1 buck in the state of Vermont. Total of 4 deer. Get your things right. Get them ready. Get your rain gear ready. We got a tropical storm coming this weekend. Good luck out there. Remember, check out our sponsors. They help us help you. And remember, you're watching Ghost 802.